Hey guys, Disney Collector here with 2 boxes of egg surprises from the movie Frozen. Each of these boxes comes with 3 egg surprises. We're also gonna open 3 Play-Doh Easter eggs and 1 Kinder Surprise. So now it's time to start opening these toy surprises. Here we have a box. One egg. It comes with a photo of Queen Elsa. Here's our second egg, and it comes with Olaf. Let's see the third one. Another Queen Elsa. Here are the other 3 eggs. One with Olaf, one has Princess Anna, and the other one Queen Elsa. So let's check out this Olaf Easter egg. Milk chocolate. And it comes with a troll. And one little flyer. Queen Elsa. Another throw. And the same little flyer. Here's our Play-Doh Easter egg. And we have here Prince Hans. Olaf. Awesome! We just got Kristoff. Kinder Surprise. Let's check out the toy. Princess Anna. We just got Prince Hans. Play-Doh Easter egg. We got Queen Elsa. Oh, Anna. Play-Doh Easter egg. Oh, we just got Olaf. And this is our last egg surprise with Queen Elsa. another throw. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more egg surprises right here on Disney Collector.